Yo, Mamgaze. So, in this vlog, we're gonna make something new, something is start mambo and did. So, I'm going to wash my clothes. 1, 2, I'm going to service my car, my own car. Then maybe I can clean the house and stuff. So it's new to you guys. So as a bachelor, so what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna take off all my all my spanners and stuff. Then I'll go under the car and open the the sump. Then drain out the oil. Then I put another oil, the new oil. Then I put the the air filter and the oil filter. Then as well as changing the wheel. So it's a normal thing. My video like separate nezuru ndakatoona because moto yangu yakufamba ichiwabula like. Then unfortunately rakazotadza kusurvive pa match yacho varamuka zvaro rakapera mweya again. So it's like a routine. Yesterday ndakaenda kunogadzisa mavhiri mushure mekunge mwararohwa nepoto. Nhasi rimwe rakaseparata. Then I have to buy another one, but for the sake of now and for today ndichisenza nditsvaga mari, I'm going to put a spare wheel, and the spare wheel is very nice and the chill right is brand new, but it's advisable for you to use to always have a spare wheel. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna drain the oil in the car, then we can put another oil and stuff. So this is the process, guys. Be with me throughout the process as I service the car first, because I noticed that if I start by washing my clothes, if I start by laundry, I end up having the dirty hands and stuff after washing. So if I start with the dirty things, then I went to the washing and stuff. It's better that way. So my car usually inotoshandisa oil filter inonzi Z212 do oil filter inopinda up. Then the air filter, so I'm gonna show you now. Then this is the air filter yacho nani inopinda kumberi uko, so that inenge ichibreathe a good and nice air. Guys, this is in the morning. This is my face in the morning, and stand up ndageza face and say, but look at my face, guys. It's like seeing some dude. Anyway, so let's get into the business, not wasting time, because we wanna do some hustles, wanna do some InDrive, after all these chores, right? My brother is in SA right now. Ari release a new video by 10, but now it's 9:56. But I have to go under the car. But let me try to watch the video while I'm under the car, or let me try to check the car so that I will have the space to be under the car. Like, go in this bottle drink. So I have to carry it like 360, then I open on top. So unfortunately I can do it with my one hand. So see you after cutting. Boom, as you can see, I'm done. So I'm going to banga do the use of this banga. So I have to put it under the car, but I think if I check the car, then it will help me to penetrate underneath the car. So guys, sometimes you don't have to pay for something like something small like this. You have to change your own oil and your own car. But if you don't know it, it's advisable for you to go and look for a mechanic, then he do it for you, because otherwise you are going to kill your car. But as for me, I know a lot of things. I went through this when I grew up, so I have to fix it myself. So let's open the let me show you the let me show you the bulge, or the cover, the sump cover. As you can see, this is the sump cover, this one. I want to remove it, then the oil come out. Then I started draining the oil, but at first let me check if the car was with the oil yet, so that I will know how much oil to expect. I don't know, this is called a dipstick. This is where you check your oil. The oil is almost finished. As you can see, it was on its low point. This is very deadly. You do not use your car until this stage, because it may be resulting no car knocking and stuff. So guys, don't do that. There's another day when I forgot to close this thing. Then I was in town. Then I noticed that the car was smoking in front. The all over steam. The steam was coming out from the engine. And luckily, I quickly realized that there is no water. Then I buy a 5-liter Vivon. Then I give this engine a Vivon. You know. So yeah, that's it. Right. As you can see, that body, that screw. Oh wow, look at the oil, it's coming out. And guys, do not do this while the engine is heat, because the oil will be something else. Yes. I almost made the car knock over, guys. This is very bad. Hey, look at this. This is a little oil which was in the engine, and the performance of this car was very low. Look at the oil. It's almost finished, guys. This is bad. It's really bad. Less than 2 liters oil which was in the engine, while the engine requires something like 4 liters, close to 4 liters. Yes, guys, it's very bad. It's very bad. So this is not allowed, guys. You don't have to wait for the oil to finish like then you service the car. No, it's not right. But I was up to something, guys. It's a lot of things. So yeah, I'm fixing the car. I'm fixing the car. Look at my hand. So you're not allowed to do this, guys. You have to service the car. It's either we don't know the kilometers. I finally succeeded on removing this, guys. This oil filter. So the problem was with unscrewing, like it was so tight. So the tactic I use my screwdriver to pour this hole. Then I use the screwdriver because since it was there was no grip on these things, because my hands are too oily, as you can see. So yeah, I finally removed the oil filter, and it's now time for the oil to drop. Guys, I want you to witness. I was drinking this water. I want you to witness. I'm done with changing the oils. Can you please hear the sound of the engine? It's now running smoothly. No, it's now running smoothly. I only left you to put the greaser and clean some engine, then we're good to go. Look, guys, can you hear that? Wow. But the challenge I'm facing right now, I don't have a wheel spanner to untie those nuts. Then I put that spare wheel. So yes, I think I have to go with this car to the car wash, because I can't wash it. Look at the dashboard and stuff. It's dirty, like everything is crap. I need to go to the shops, and maybe when I go to fix this tire, I will try to pump this one and go to the shops. Timu rangu nasazoramba zvikuwacha bozi pandapedza clean na motor and stuff. I was I was really tired, so I decided to go to the shops. As you can see in the Pama shops. So these guys, they're cleaning my car. As you can see, they're cleansing the car. Guys, they are cleaning my car. That's what I am doing right now. But when I'm done, I think I have to go and look for money. In fact, I have to open my InDrive application, and I'm going to look for nearest rides. Then I try to make $1 to 15 cents. Maybe for the day, if I make something like target for $20, it's okay. I can come home. Then I know that today I passed another mission, so I have to look for $20 till dawn. Guys, maybe I will start by 4 o'clock. I don't know when the traffic time, like you know what it is. It's very hard for you to get $20, but I know I'm going to get $20 as soon as possible. Maybe just 2 rides, these 2 big rides, those 2 big rides. But I will see what comes out. Maybe if I make 15, it's okay, or 10, it's okay. So long my car is full of fuel, so that tomorrow I'm going to begin doing my InDrive in the morning. So RV production.
LV Beats. Shanda.
Wakati panapa ndapedza panapa kumbopinda pai town. So I'm going to continue with my episodes here in InDrive. Nice. So guys, yeah, special thanks to those guys wasuka sinteredwa chena. So my customers are going to be happy pinda motor. I'm going to work right now, but today I will not chaisa as usual, but I'm going to chaisa late because I'm waiting for my brother. He's coming from South Africa, and gosh, look at my hand. Anyway, he's coming from South Africa. We wanna go home to our roots, so he's going to come to the airport. Then I'm going to collect him by around 9. So today expect me home by 10-11, so that I will be home. Then tomorrow morning he's going to do his deals in town. Then after that we're going to travel to where we come from, to where our umbilical cord lies. That's home. And I miss everybody home. I miss my mother, I miss my father, I miss my younger brother as well. So let's hope he's going to travel safe from South Africa to here. Then enjoy for more and more bangers are coming, guys. We are going to make a lot of videos with the human Zimbabwe, in Harare, you know, yeah, that's the adventures of my life, like, you know. So that's it, guys. So right now ndakubaya kobe airport kudodora Nick maize mchoma. This is not Billard Morgan are ku South Africa. Then this is my biological brother who is coming that side to Zimbabwe. I think that's one of the reasons why this is not going to South Africa. So are we going to some. And then if everything went well, we're going to go Kumusha, Kunona, Mama and stuff. Then come back to Harare here, so take a flight jacket back to South Africa. Then I'll stay in Harare. So guys, as you can see, this is the airport road. I'm going to the airport. I want to ask them what time did the first jet arrive, because he doesn't have Zimbabwean SIM card, so he's going to struggle. So I don't think they'll harm me if I ask them questions like that. Then I'll come back to that posture we use to park. Nice.